So Jessie got this slime kit as her Christmas gift. So let's see how to make the slime. In this they also gave the steps to be followed. They gave the base and the activator. So you can mix that in this container. We have to shake the activator and the base before we use. So the base, we are putting it in the container.
We have to keep 5 drops and stirring it.
So to the base we are adding the activator. So we have used 20 drops of activator and now we are supposed to close the lid of the container and wait for 2 minutes. And now we are supposed to shake the container.
Mom, how many drops we should keep adding the activator?
Until what consistency you want the slime to be. Till then.
Oh.
So the second time also we added 20 drops. Now we are going to close the lid of the container and shake it. It's a bit more liquid kind of. So we are planning to add another 15 drops. So this is the third time we are adding the activator.
Friends, now the slime is ready. Yes. You wanna see?
Oh wow. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Is it easy, Jessie, to prepare?
Yeah. Sticking. It's sticking.
If it is sticking, then I think you need to put more drops of activator. But I think this is fine.
No, but see?
It is sticking a lot.
Yeah.
Then again put the activator. Yep. Now we are done. And we got the strawberry flavor. So it's so nice. It's having a very good fragrance.
Want to smell it?
No, I could already. Jasmika is adding some beads there. Okay. She also gave another idea. How about mixing the radium medium so that it will become glow in the dark slime.